Which smart gadgets for your car are actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the real gems. Today, we're exploring 5 smart gadgets that can make your driving experience safer and more convenient. Product number 1, Miracase Phone Holder. First up, we have the Miracase Phone Holder, priced at $12.99. What caught my attention is its military-grade metal hook that promises to keep your phone securely in place. If you want a reliable way to use your phone while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Miracase holder is designed so you can easily operate your phone with one hand, which is crucial when you're on the road. It supports phones up to 7.2 inches and even thicker cases, so whether you have an iPhone or a Galaxy, it fits well. With over 42,900 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, people clearly love it. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, giving you the best view no matter how you need to use your phone. Now, some people complain that it might not fit on round vents, which could be a deal breaker for some. But here's the thing, if your car has horizontal or vertical vents, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you need a simple, effective way to keep your phone accessible while driving. Skip this one if you have round vents, as it just won't work well for you. For the price, it's a solid investment for safer driving. Now, if the vent compatibility concerned you, the next product might be even better for those who want a more universal solution. Product number 2, Keystel MagSafe Car Mount. Next is the Keystel MagSafe Car Mount, priced at just $9.99. I was really impressed by how easy this one is to install thanks to its strong adhesive. If you want a hassle-free way to keep your iPhone secure, this is definitely worth a look. The strong magnetic hold means you can quickly snap your phone into place. This gadget is specifically designed for MagSafe cases, so you won't have to deal with metal plates sticking to your phone. With 30,300 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that this has become a favorite among drivers. The mini size ensures it doesn't block your view, which is crucial for safe driving. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't support wireless charging, which might frustrate some. But honestly, if you're okay with that and mainly need a solid mount, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an iPhone user who wants quick access and easy installation. Skip this one if you rely heavily on wireless charging. At this price, it's a steal for a reliable phone holder. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something even stronger, let's check out the next product. Product number 3, LISEN Magnetic Car Mount. Now let's talk about the LISEN Magnetic Car Mount, which retails for $16.93. This one caught my eye because of its strong suction cup and high magnetic force. If you want something that stays put no matter the road conditions, this is one to consider. The LISEN mount features a super strong suction cup that holds up to 89 pounds, making it incredibly reliable. The magnetic hold is backed by 2,400 GF of force, meaning it won't let go of your phone during sharp turns or bumps. With a 4.3-star rating from 3,600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the stability it provides. Plus, it's compatible with most phones, including non-MagSafe devices with the included metal ring. But I will say, installation can be a bit tricky for some, with the adhesive requiring some time to set. Here's the thing though, once it's in place, you're likely to forget about it because it works so well. This is perfect for you if you often drive on bumpy roads and need a secure mount. Skip this if you prefer an instant installation. Honestly, for the performance it offers, the price is more than fair. Now, if that didn't fully meet your needs, let's move on to a mount that takes it up a notch. Product number 4, ANDERY Car Phone Holder. Next up is the ANDERY Car Phone Holder, priced at $25.58. This one surprised me with its premium design and robust performance. If you want a mount that combines aesthetics with functionality, this is definitely worth your attention. The ANDERY mount can hold up to 78 pounds, which is impressive and made possible by its advanced suction technology. This means you can drive confidently without worrying about your phone flying off during sharp turns or sudden stops. With 22,200 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, It's clear that many users trust this mount. Plus, it offers 360 degrees rotation and dual axis adjustment, so you can easily find your perfect angle. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's smooth sailing from there. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a sturdy, stylish mount that works well in any vehicle. Skip this if you want something that's plug and play. For the quality and strength, the price is justified. And if you're looking for something different, maybe tech-driven, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, WeYug OBD 2-gauge display. Finally, we have the WeYug OBD 2-gauge display priced at $38.99. This gadget is all about enhancing your driving experience with real-time data. If you want to keep track of your car's performance and speed without taking your eyes off the road, this is a must-see. It features a dual OBD plus GPS mode, making it versatile for most vehicles. The design is compact and easy to read, plus it adjusts brightness automatically. With a 4-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's getting decent feedback for its functionality. That said, a few users found the interface a bit confusing, especially at first. But once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh this initial frustration. This is perfect for you if you want to keep a close eye on your vehicle's performance while driving. Skip this if you prefer a simpler device without all the data. For the features it offers, it's reasonably priced. To recap, we covered the Miracase phone holder, Keistal MagSafe car mount, LISEN magnetic car mount, ANDERY car phone holder, and the WeYug OBD 2-gauge display. Each gadget brings something unique to the table, from simple phone mounts to advanced performance monitors. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a smart gadget here that can enhance your driving experience.